Hey guys, I'm getting ready for a pop-up, so I'm going to unbox some new products that I've ordered wholesale to get ready for the pop-up. So let's get started. Alright, so first up, we have this smaller box. I do have the bigger box below as well. This box came from an order I placed at America's Mart at the Atlanta October Apparel Mart, and they've been sending the order over time. A lot of the items were not ready to ship when I purchased them, so these actually just arrived in February, so I'm excited to take a look. I think they are going to be items that are good for like the spring transition period. Okay, so this is a shirt. It's white. So far, it looks nice. I like the material. I need to try to find some clothing hangers. I know I have more. Okay, I also ordered new hangers because I'm always running out of hangers. The longer I've had my store, I've had to purchase hangers so many times. But this one will be super cute for spring. And that was the only package, or the only style in this box. But got a whole nother box. So this box already falling apart. It like literally came half open. I'm just glad it made it here without anything spilling out. Okay, guys. So I'm dabbling with jean material for the first time, and I'm really excited. So let's see. Maybe I'll save this one. Let's start with the jeans. So I've actually never purchased jeans from this brand. And you know, you want to be careful with jeans because you want like really good quality but also like the right fit for jeans. This one actually is a jean jacket. So I feel like obviously you want a quality jean jacket, but what I mean about the fit for jeans, I'm really talking about like blue jean pants. But so far I really like this jacket. I kind of want to buy one myself because my jean jacket is super old. Whew. I feel like I'll have to do that at the pop-up. I'll have to unbutton every single one because it just looks silly buttoned. Looks like I'm trying to say it's a shirt. Okay, so far I really like it. This one's a size small, but it's not going to be like tight, which is good, of course. The back is just plain. There are some cutouts, but I don't think it's like over the top. I love it. So, first jean example, I'm happy with. They gave me some type of cash thing. I don't really get it. It's like pink, high five, $00. Hold on to the money and make this your luckiest year. Okay, so it's kind of being cute. Like they're implying like you're gonna make so much money this year. I'm gonna use this as a manifestation thing to be like, this is how much money I'm making this year. Okay. Now, here are some blue jeans. So the blue jeans come with one size 25, one size 26, one size 27, and one size 28 and 29. So I could have opted for packs that had a couple more sizes, but I just wanted to try out this brand and see what I thought of them before committing to buying more sizes, in case the jeans aren't really my thing. But the reason I wanted to buy jeans was because the last pop-up I did, one of the other vendors, she was selling jeans, and everyone was just obsessed with them. I don't know if it was the particular style or if just everyone at this pop-up that I was doing was looking for jeans or something. But I swear, she had so many sales on just jeans. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to have jeans in my next pop-up. Okay. So they are like the super wide leg. And they don't have cutouts. They're just kind of fun and like definitely kind of 70s, I'm imagining. Like you could definitely pair this with a cute 70s top. Or, I mean, they're jeans. You can wear jeans with anything, but that's what I'm envisioning. So far I like them. I'll definitely have to try them on for myself and let you guys know. I'm also going to have to think of, do I want to sell the jeans more like this on this type of clothing rack or use the, like I have got lots of short pant, skirt, whatever you call these types of hangers that I could use too. But the jeans are so long, I definitely don't want to have to worry about them touching the floor depending on my new clothing racks. I just ordered new clothing racks. I'll have to test out my new clothing racks and see if the jeans fit right side up or whatever. Okay. This one, I actually don't remember what this is. Let's find out. I love the sizes of this brand. This one is called Spicy Small. Oh yes, this is a cute little cardigan, which one you can wear as just like a top, like just leave it buttoned as a cute little crop top, or you can unbutton it and it becomes like an actual cardigan that you can wear something under. And I saw it styled as both on their website, and I think I got more than one color, although I know they refunded me for something, so I'm hoping I got the colors I ordered and they didn't refund me on one of them. But it was so funny, like what made me buy it was the one that was like this like bright yellow color, and it, you know, I wouldn't normally go for bright yellow and something like this, but it was so cute. Or maybe it was like neon green, yellowish. I don't know. Something I wouldn't normally go for, but something about the way they styled it in the stock photos, I was like, oh, that's so cute. I want that. Okay, this one is another jean jacket. This one is darker. I think it's black. Yeah, this looks black. I've never actually like owned a dark black jean jacket, so I'll definitely have to be trying this on. So again, have to unbutton it. I am kind of nervous about the pop-up I'm doing this weekend because I have to set up. I can't get there until 10, like I'm not allowed to get there until 10, but the pop-up starts at noon. So I only have 2 hours to set up, and I don't have as much help as I normally would. I might be on my own, honestly, and I've never been to this venue, so I don't know how far, like, the parking lot is from the actual event and, like, my actual booth. And I don't know if they're going to have helpers available, because the last pop-up I did, one, it was at a space that I've been to before, so I already kind of knew the lay of the land. But two, they had one, well, a couple of things actually. This pop-up was great. They let me set up the Friday before, so the pop-up didn't start until Saturday at noon, but they let me set up on Friday. And that was awesome. One, because then it's way less stressful that you don't have to like get there early and worry about running out of time before then shoppers start showing up. Ooh, this is cute. This one is also kind of like a more of an oversized jean jacket. It's definitely not going to be like tight fitting. I think it's almost identical, if not exactly identical, to the lighter blue one. So we'll definitely have to see how the jean jacket does at these pop-ups. Hopefully they do well, who knows. Okay, so what I was saying before my camera cut off was that the last event that I did, they actually had helpers. So when I was unpacking my car, a volunteer came up to me. Can't find my scissors. A volunteer came up to me and was just like, "Do you need help?" And I was like, "Sure." So she helped me unload everything, which was fantastic. Saved me so much time. So that's the thing about this one on Saturday is I'm not allowed to get there a day early. And in addition to that, I don't know if there's going to be anyone to help me, like any volunteers to help me unload. And I only have 2 hours. Like if they were letting me get there at like 8 or 9, I wouldn't be worried at all. But I'm also like, I'm trying out new clothing racks, so kind of nervous about how that's going to go. So wish me luck. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But I've done so many pop-ups that, well, one, pause. So these are black jeans, and they might actually be identical to the blue jeans. I'm looking at the leg. I think it is the exact same pair, just different colors. So definitely hope that this is cute, because if not, I've got 2 different colors, 2 shades. But anyway, what I was saying about the pop-up, wish me luck. I hope it goes well, and I hope that I have enough time to set up, because got the new clothing racks I have to try out. And I have a new like backdrop. If you watched my last pop-up video about clothing booth inspiration for vendor show pop-ups, I talked a lot about how all these different vendors had like the backdrop stand with like fabric. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So I ordered a new backdrop thingy, backdrop stand, and then like curtains. So hopefully it's cute, but again, I'm just nervous. I have no idea how long it's gonna take me to set up. All right, so I actually have another box. So these products were a little bit more edgy than I usually go for. Like I said, I don't usually do jeans at pop-ups, let alone jean jackets. But, you know, when you do pop-ups, I feel like it's kind of different, like when you're picking out products for a pop-up versus your online website. Like, online website, you want to be very niche and like have a very specific target audience, which you want to do that for pop-ups as well. But like, the thing about pop-ups is you just have no idea, unless you've done that pop-up multiple times, you have no idea what type of people to expect. So I kind of just have to see like what people are buying at the local pop-ups I'm going to, and see if I can order accordingly. So this dress, super cute. This is a size small, so it's kind of loose, not too fitted. Here's the back. So it's definitely kind of like got a higher neckline. And I think it needs to be steamed because it's got all sorts of creases. So that's another thing about pop-ups and getting like new products in. If you have time to steam them before the pop-up, you're gonna look more professional than showing up with products that are all wrinkly and creased. And that's the thing that's nice about having that French store, because I can take all of the products and put them all out and then steam them on here and be able to see them all at once and just kind of like think about how I'm going to style them and lay it out at the pop-up. You know, I don't have any mannequins, but I feel like I should get mannequins. I've always been kind of resistant to bring mannequins to a pop-up. I don't know why. It just seems like, well, one is a lot to carry, although everything's a lot to carry. But I didn't like the look at first of mannequins. Like, I don't know if they were just kind of like overdone in my mind. But I think they make a big difference. And I feel like people always buy whatever you style on the mannequin. So maybe that's something in my future. Alright, this is a dress. And it also is super wrinkly. So I need to steam it. But this is cute. I love, like, I'm trying to buy more pieces that, like, aren't as tight in the belly area. Like, I feel like for years I was buying all these pieces that were just so form-fitting and tight, but then I wouldn't even want to wear them myself because I always felt like, you know, bloated or whatever. So I'm trying to buy, like, looser stuff in addition to all my form-fitting stuff. So this is kind of like cute for fall. This is definitely one of the items that I ordered in the fall, but it didn't come until recently. But I think you can still make it work for spring. But, you know, if I have it left over next fall, so be it. It does just, like, feel like a great fall dress. Okay, so actually that looks like it's everything. They randomly sent me these masks. Cotton mask. It looks like they sent me 10 cotton masks. I'm sure they're just trying to get rid of them at this point. I wonder if they made a bunch and didn't sell them. I don't know. It's kind of like a freebie. And yeah, so that's it. That was everything I'm unboxing for the pop-up. All of the stuff that I got in recently. Of course, I'm bringing a lot of my other stuff. This pop-up is going to be held at the, I guess, like the middle of March. So where I live in the southeast in Atlanta, Georgia, it's still cold, but we're definitely having like the fake spring weather. Like, we were wearing shorts and it was 80 degrees 2 weeks ago, and now it's in the 30s. So I think people will still be in the mood to buy warmer clothes, but I think people are definitely going to start thinking about spring. So it's kind of like, it's that time period where you have to find transition pieces and try to figure out what people want to buy this time of year. And it's hard to plan for that for a pop-up because it's just like, you never know what's going to come in time with these vendors, and you never know what's going to sell. Especially when the target audience is different every single time at pop-up events, because you don't know what type of audience the event organizers have unless you've done it before. And this is my first time doing this pop-up event, like I've mentioned. So yeah, wish me luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.